Hi guys, this is Bailey from Iceboxauto. I'm just doing a quick video today to show you a new setting which is on the CarPlay MMI boxes that we install on the Range Rovers, Jaguars, works on BMWs and Audis and so on and so forth. It works for cars that have the ability to do Bluetooth calls and audio. If you have just Bluetooth calls or just Bluetooth audio, this won't work. The main reason being is that the thing I'm showing you today is how to pair up to the CarPlay box and the car's original Bluetooth channel at the same time. The reason why you do this is that it gives you more control over the steering wheel controls. It'll also display the music that you're listening to behind your steering wheel on your MFD display, if it used to do that originally, because it kind of tricks the box and the car into thinking that you're just paired up to the car's original Bluetooth. Now, we've done the installation of the CarPlay box today on this Evoque. This is the Bose system. So if I tap and hold this navigation button here, give it a couple seconds, it'll swap me over to this menu. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go up to setup, and then you're going to scroll down. We're looking for, keep going, use cars BT channel. Now we've already set this up so it's on for us, but by default it's off. When you change the setting, it'll switch the box off and on. It'll do a reboot to set this up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pair my phone up, which I have here. I'm going to pair this up to the CarPlay box. Now you want to pair up to the box first on the initial setup, so you'll want to make sure that you're not connected to the car's original Bluetooth when you actually set this up. So we can see here, I'm pairing up to the well, this is Android Auto, but it works the same thing. So I'm pairing up to Android Auto currently. So there we go, that's all paired up. Give it a second. Good stuff. Now there'll be no audio playing, and the reason for that is because the box is now expecting me to be paired up to the car's original Bluetooth. See, can't hear anything. Now if I hold Bluetooth down, I'll have to go back to the original menu of the car, audio video, my music, Bluetooth. Now I'm just looking for the original Bluetooth of the car. Might need to change device here, search new, and we're going device to vehicle. Now just got to give it a moment. I'll do another scan from my phone. There we go, showing up now. There we go, Range Rover Evoque. So once I've paired this up, a pin of your choice is requested. Always do 4 zeros, it's the easiest one to remember. Now pair up my phone, 4 zeros. Okay, there we go. So now the audio device is paired up. We want to allow access to contacts, and there you go. Immediately it gives you the audio. Now obviously it looks the same, but if we tap and hold the navigation button, swap back, there we are. So what this is essentially doing is, if you, I don't know if you can see on my phone here, the CarPlay box connects via Bluetooth initially, does a handshake with your phone, and then it sets up a Wi-Fi connection on your phone. Oh, sorry. EWCP. That is actually how the connection for the Android Auto or the CarPlay is sustained. But because the Bluetooth is then freed up, you're then able to pair back to the original Bluetooth, and obviously you'd have the audio working as it would be normally. So the audio will probably sound better through this than it would through the auxiliary of the car if you were going to use the aux. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It works the same on pretty much all cars where you can put these CarPlay boxes in if they've got the option for it. As long as they can do Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth calls, it should be possible. Some boxes won't give you the option to use the car's BT channel, and if that's the case, you generally have to do it manually once or twice, and the car should figure it out. But as long as it does it uses the Wi-Fi instead of the Bluetooth for the CarPlay connection, it'll work. This is probably the reason why it doesn't work on Android screens as well. It's because those CarPlay connections generally need to stay consistent through your Bluetooth, whereas this, it can just use the Wi-Fi. But yeah, that's it. Cheers, thank you, bye bye.